Hey, Don Copeland here once again with the Compress IUV 600S compact flatbed UV printer. What we're doing today is a practical application I think a lot of our customers would use in the trophy and awards industry, ad specialties, whatnot. We're actually printing out name badges. Okay, there we go. It's spooled down all 48 of the badges that we set up with the variable data, and it's printing it out right now onto the badge. We actually did a little bit of an overbleed on this so that we cover the entire badge, so you'll see there'll actually be a little bit of extra ink on the bed of the printer itself, but that's fine. It cleans up real nice on that silicone mat, and we're going to just kind of fly through these. Now remember, we were talking about this, like $3.70 a piece average profit on something like this for an order of this size, and there's just under 50 of them under here. 50 of them would be $150, $185, let's say $175 profit on this bed alone. That's pretty impressive. So we're just about done here. It looks like we're about a third of the way through the last row, which means we've printed 42. I want to pull one of these off here. This is my favorite one. Here we go. This is always a good part. This is when you learn just how good the bed is. So this is the badge we did with my name on it, with my title on it, as you can see. It's just got a solid black back there. So great way to make good money, generating great, like your clients would just be tickled pink to have these. And very easy to do. It's not like there's a lot of setup. Once you've set this up, they get a new employee. Somebody loses their badge, they call you up, throw one on the bed, print the rectangle down to position it, lay it on, print it, and in 5 minutes you get another badge for them. So variable data, compact, the Compress Compact IUV 600S, small format, flatbed UV printer, generating badges with variable data and printing money, $750 an hour profit just on a job like this. If you get $5 a badge, you can't beat that. Hey, thanks for watching again, and we'll be back next time with some more exciting things to do with your Compress IUV printers.